Hi folks and welcome back to Car Modelicious. Summer has arrived here in Ferrara, so to bring some cool air into your home, we will build together a stunning satin pearl green Ferrari in 1/43 scale, the 250 GT Berlinetta SWB. This Ferrari was built starting from 1959 to 1963 by Carrozzeria Scaglietti and designed by Pininfarina. Ferrari SWB was produced in limited number and exclusively customized for the richest man on the planet. Today you may find cars like this at car auctions starting from $9 billion up to $12 billion. So just in case you don't have 9 billion euros in your wallet, you may focus on the cheapest version. What I'm talking about? Oh no, don't worry, I'm not talking about the Fiat Panda. So let's come with us to our lab and let's see. With a bit of luck, for 30 euros, you may find on eBay models like this. A vintage 1/43 scale metal kit. Produced by a Japanese company called Car in the 70s. The body is pretty bad, so a lot of work is waiting for us. And here is the core of our model, a fresh pearl green with a satin effect that is perfect for our project. Kit lights were pretty ugly, so we decided to buy some new ones by Tron. Okay guys, it's time to see the final result of our model. Thank you for watching. Please support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and see you next time at Car Modelicious.
Ha 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 ha.